Hello, hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle is a binary puzzle. In today's additional of Friday, December 8th, 2023. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. Two puzzles are left. This one, the jigsaw Sudoku, and you are interested in the binary puzzle. Is binary puzzle number 7586. 7586. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. 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 Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the ones comes in O. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the ones comes in O. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the ones comes in O. Between the O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. And I know between the O. Oh, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Then 1, 2, 3. Well, now I need to think. 1, 2, 3. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Between the ones comes in a 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Finish in 3 minutes. Well, solve it again without comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.